Ihre Heine, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start by thanking President Heine for this important summit. Even when the Paris Agreement was ratified, we knew that we still had a great deal of work ahead of us. This is why it is so important that we enhance cooperation on ambitious climate action. The Marshall Islands, which today is chairing the Climate Vulnerable Forum, has always played an outstanding role. You have made very clear to us all how important the battle against climate change is, but also the opportunities that this offers. But the publication of the 2050 strategy, Lighting My Way, is further proof of the Marshall Islands' tireless commitment. The IPCC special report shows that we only have a limited period of time up to the 2030s to take action. It illustrates that the risk we would face even with global warming of 1.5 degrees Celsius are greater than we thought. But the report also shows that we can still limit global warming to 1.5 degrees. In this situation, we simply cannot allow the climate negotiations in Katowice to fail. In fact, there are three things we have to achieve at COP24. Firstly, we need a clear rule book for the Paris Agreement. A clear, rules-based system creates the conditions for greater investments, which give industry planning certainty. This is why we want robust and effective implementation guidelines. Secondly, we must continue the dialogue on the nationally determined contributions, the Talanoa dialogue. And thirdly, we have to take decisions on climate finance. It is important for the developing countries to be supported with financing, technology transfer, and planning capacities. The developed countries have pledged $100 billion per year from 2020 to 2025. We stand by our pledge. We also advocate strengthening the climate finance institutions. It is such a shame that I can't be with you in person. I wish you all a very interesting and fruitful summit, and I look forward to continuing constructive cooperation and partnerships in Katowice and beyond. Thank you very much.